Hi, I'm Keith, a technician with USA Clean. Today I'm going to give you some quick tips on how to handle TASKI repairs while on site. As an on-site technician myself, a few key points to always remember when you're on site. Always be professional with your appearance. Always be courteous in your communication. Always find the right person to talk to while on site, i.e. a manager or an invoice clerk. Always leave a repair tag with your make, model, the date of the repair, a brief description as to what you did while on site, and whether or not the machine is operable or not. The TASKI swingo 350B has two 12-volt, 33-35 amp batteries wired in a 24-volt system. All battery-powered TASKI equipment has a 24-volt system. The 350B has an onboard charger that will not engage unless the pack gets below 23.5 volts. The 350B has a 15-inch cylindrical brush. It also has a standard squeegee assembly as well as a front scraper blade. The 350B's serial number is located on the back side of the handle. The 350B's handle can be folded back by releasing the handle locking mechanism. The 350B should be propped up on its kickstand while not in use to avoid any type of flat spots on the brush. To turn the machine on, press and hold the power button on the handle for 2 to 3 seconds. The buttons to the right of the power are the solution on and off, the solution flow control, and the vac motor. The row of lights below the controls are your service light. Turns on after 250 hours of use. Now you can reset this by holding the power and solution flow control buttons together for 5 seconds with the machine turned off. Then you got your battery charging indicator. Red means failed charge, yellow is charging, yellow flashing is 90% charge, green indicates a full charge. Then you've got your charge level light. Both lights are green, it's got a full charge, and it's ready to go. One light green means about half charged. Red light indicates that the batteries are depleted and need to be put back on the charger. If the batteries test good at 24 volts, but the red light is on, you might have to replace your control board. So the next thing we're going to talk about is the solution system. The solution system, the flow starts at the top of the tank where you put your water in. From there it goes down to the solution filter, which is also your solution drain. Now notice that the solution filter has a yellow cap. Please note that all the yellow parts on the TASKI equipment are your daily maintenance points. Now after passing through the solution filter, it goes to the pump. From the pump, it travels to the check valve, which is located right above your kickstand. Now after the check valve, the solution lines split and run up to the front of your machine. Now the next system we're going to talk about is the brush system. The brush motor sits right in the front of the machine above your brushes separated by the frame. The brush motor turns a single belt to actually rotate the brushes. Now to remove the brushes, loosen the knob, remove the brush plate. Pull out the brush, clean it, or replace it. To install, just put the brush back in, put the brush plate back on, the knob, tighten it down. Now your recovery flow system starts with your squeegee assembly. Dirty water is sucked up through the squeegee assembly, through the hose, into the lid assembly. From there, the dirty water flows through the strainer and into your recovery tank. To empty the recovery tank, remove the tank from the machine, pour it out by removing the drain flap. Always be sure to replace that drain flap before reusing the machine or you're going to lose suction in your recovery system. The vacuum motor, which is located underneath the solution tank, creates suction through this hose. When the recovery tank is full, the float will rise and block the suction flow. For any further questions, troubleshooting, or parts orders, please give us a call at 1-800-USA-CLEAN, or you can visit us on the web at usaclean.com. Thanks for watching, guys.